So this is our project. Actually, what we have done is to network our PC, the TM262 PLC, M700 drive, and this is our motor. And what we want to do is just to run the motor forward and backward and control the frequency of the motor in the real time using either this HMI, which we have simulated on our PC, or using this PLC software. So there are two ways that we're going to just do this. So I start with the PLC software to run the motor. This is the drive enable. I set it on, and the preset. So I'm going to start with a low frequency, 10 Hertz, which I have to enter 100. And yeah, the reverse is already on. So I'm going to just make it again more. So now I'm going to just force the values. The motor starts running now. So the motor is running reverse with a very low speed. And I am going to just increase the frequency from 10 Hertz to 30 Hertz using the PLC system. And I can go even higher, up to 50 Hertz, and my maximum value is 60 Hertz. Let's just give the maximum value. Now I'm going to just reverse the direction. So the reverse is on. What I need to do is just force it to 0. At the same time, I want to force forward to 1. When I enter the force, what happens is that the motor stops and then starts on the other direction. So 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do the same. This time I'm going to use my HMI, but before that I should unforce these values. So the fastest way is just to light out and light back in. From here, let's set the frequency on 200. As you can see, the motor is now turning slower. I can just give any value that I want and I can play with it. Let's go to 500, which is 50 Hertz. And as you can see here, the drive is healthy, the drive active is on, the motor is running forward. Frequency is 50 Hertz and it's enabled. So if I want to change the direction, all I need to do is just to set this value to 0 and this value to 1. And that's it.